Hey guys, I'm Erin, and today I'm going to show you how I made this really awesome couch sleeve drink holder. So I didn't come up with this design, but I thought if I'm going to build one, I might as well video it and show you guys how I built it. I found the inspiration for this on Pinterest and it led me to A Beautiful Mess. I'll put their website down below for you guys to check out. Also, I'm gonna give you my dimensions, but you guys most likely don't have the same couch. But this is so easy that you can easily alter the measurements to fit whatever couch or chair you have. To start this project, I picked up one 1x8 from Home Depot and then I measured for my cuts. From this one board, I cut 3 pieces at 14 inches long with my miter saw. You could also use a circular saw. And then I took one of those pieces to my table saw and cut off 1 inch to make it 6 1/4 inches wide. I left the other 2 at their actual width of 7 1/4. For my couch, the smaller piece will be at the top and this piece will have the cutout for the cup holder. I lined out where I wanted my hole, secured the board with clamps, and then I cut out the hole with a 3 1/2 inch hole saw on the end of my drill. A drill press would work great too. To attach the side pieces to the top, I cut out 2 pocket holes on each sideboard with my pocket hole jig. However, these sides really don't hold any weight, so if you wanted to secure these boards with just wood glue instead, I think it would be plenty strong. And then I screwed in the pocket screws to attach the boards. I didn't show it here, but I also put a little wood glue in between the joints. The next thing I needed to do was cut out a bottom for the cup holder. I got a thin piece of scrap plywood and I cut it a little larger than the hole. Off camera, I sanded all of my pieces smooth, and then I prepped all of my boards with a wood conditioner to even out the color and create a more uniform stain coat. And then I stained the boards with Minwax Special Walnut Stain. For extra protection from use and potential moisture from those cold beverages, I put on a coat of polyurethane. The next thing I did was put in the bottom of this cup holder, and all I did for that was take that one little extra piece I cut out and put it in the back with glue and clamps until it dried. And then I finished it out with one more final coat of polyurethane. So this was such an easy build and I absolutely love how it turned out. It fits our aesthetic and it's super functional. I also really like that I can easily pick it up and move it around based on where I'm sitting. So as an added bonus, I found these little coasters at IKEA and then I realized once I built this that they fit in there perfectly. So I'd love to know what you guys think about this build. Please leave me comments below and any questions you may have. And be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's where you're gonna see what I'm up to and what I'm making next. And lastly, please hit that subscribe button. I've got a lot of videos coming that I'm super excited about and you're not gonna wanna miss. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks so much. See you next time. Going through a lot of topo.